on third. Then I stay here. I'm not gonna do to wash the dishes, which 20. I'm done now. Hi guys, good morning. Let's get ready for work. I have 4 minutes. Oh my gosh, I think the time is running really fast. Oh, yesterday at work we got a new doctor and he was pretty chill, and it makes me wonder, are all young doctors like that? There's something that I thought was really funny. So at our clinic we don't really have rules when it comes to music. We just play radio music. He asked me if we can play a certain music, and I said yeah, but we use Amazon radio, and I don't think Amazon radio really play all music. It would just, you know, play one song but then play other different song. Then he asked me if we can connect our phone to the Amazon, like to the, I forgot, like the thing that looks like Google Home. So we have that. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. I just told him that I have no idea what the music rules over here. So I don't know. So he went and asked one of the DA. I call her like the head DA because she's been there longer than most of the DAs over there. He said that there's no rules. You can play whatever that you want to play. Okay, so we had two other patients, and he asked the patient that, is it okay for me to play some music? And of course the patient is gonna say yes. I don't think they do have a say in that. But the patient said yeah, and guess what he did? He literally grabbed his phone and started playing music, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that was so, I don't know, it was so out of the blue. Maybe I haven't worked with a doctor like that before, but I was like, it's just giving off young people vibe, you know. It's 7:20. I'm gonna go. I'm on break. Let me scoot back a little bit. The weather is actually nice today, but I have my lunch here. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. I microwaved it for 4 minutes because it wasn't getting hot, but like now I can tell it's hot because you can see the vapor. But this is my lunch. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's just pasta. Okay, so for dinner today we are making steak sandwich, and I'm gonna show you guys all that we have. I think this is gonna be the first time that we do a steak sandwich at home. I'm actually pretty excited because I was gonna go by Chipotle and eat it, but I'm excited for this steak sandwich, so I'm gonna show you guys what we have. Oh, this is the steak that we bought. Bread over here. This is the name. It's just a French bread. And we have, what is this, banana pepper and jalapenos. There is lettuce and other stuff in the fridge. I didn't get it. Eat what?
The meat.
Like no bread?
So wait, and I was so bad.
Let's see. We got this. No onions.
Moon here. Oh no, monster. Monster.
I toasted in the oven, yeah, but in a pan. I'll have to try and take it out. It's so crunchy, I like it. I love lettuce. Dinner. On my off days, I go to the gym, so I'm getting ready to go in a few minutes. It's currently 8:17 and it's foggy outside. It was really bad in the morning, but now it's getting better. It's clearing up a little bit, and the weather is 49. But I'm still gonna go because I want to make this as a ritual. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this Velveeta banana bread real quick before I go, so I don't want to be exercising on an empty stomach, you know. I'm done now. Let's go. Okay. I'm grabbing my phone and I'm grabbing corn bread, then my AirPod and a lip gloss. I'm putting all this in my pockets, then my camera, then a water. Oh my god, that's a lot of things. Yeah, it's so hot. And That's stop to the camera. Hey, you wasting. You're not swimming shit. I'm gonna make a mango smoothie. I'm using this. Add a little bit more. I'm done eating. I'm about to wash the dishes, which are a lot. Here, look. Okay, I'm gonna wash all of them, make sure the kitchen is clean before I leave. I'm trying to go to the library to go do some work. So, yeah. Okay, I am done finally. I am tired. I'm really tired and I just want to rest before I do anything. But it's literally 1 something. It's almost 2 o'clock, which technically means the day has already ended. So if I don't go to the library and I stay here, I'm not gonna do anything productive. I might end up either falling asleep or not. So I'm gonna force myself to go to the library, okay? Bye.